I'm hiking in the Spanish-American mine site today. It was fully sunny when I came out, but as you can see there are clouds rolling in now, which is no big surprise, you know. But this is the best day we're going to get for a while now, so I figured I better get out. I have my winter walkers on today, as you can see. Also, I'm using a polarizing lens on this Canon SX50. I have a polarizing lens for it, but I don't use it very often. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a photographer, so I don't get into the too technical side of taking pictures when I'm out. You know. But, you know, I thought that the polarizing lens might work better with the bright white snow on a sunny day, but now it's getting cloudy, so I don't know how much sunshine I'm going to get. We'll see. Yeah, this is the S100 now. Take some video with it. Of course, like I say, I always have problems with my shadow in this at this time of the year. Look how long it is. Look at those legs. Wow. Yeah, it's a nice day for taking pictures. Do a little zoom here with the S100. Actually, I zoomed it the other day and it went real fast, so I think there is a way to zoom it fast. I just haven't discovered all the features of this camera yet. It takes me a while. I mean, I don't go through reading all the manuals and everything for these kind of things, for anything. I don't like doing that. I like to learn from experience. Yeah. Son of a gun. Very nice. Nice and quiet. Scenic. Doesn't get any better in winter. Yeah. Anyways, let's go higher up there, I think. Just taking some video with the S100 here. I have that with me today too. Same as my last hike, I've got the S100 and the Rebel T3i with me today. Beautiful blue sky. Some nice wispy clouds. I like that. Cold, but very nice out. Quiet. Beautiful high spot here. I'm going to be walking along this ridge for a bit, that way, taking pictures. A little bit of a breeze blowing, but it doesn't get any better in winter. Well, it does a little bit better if there was no breeze at all. That's the only way it could get better. Anyways, let's go. Just taking some similar video footage with the S100. I'm still in the process of comparing these two cameras, and you know, like I said, I'm still learning about all the features on this S100. I have the GPS running today on the S100, so I should be able to put up a track from that, although I have my GPS running too. I don't really need the GPS running because I know this area really well. I just, I like to have a track to put up on my blog post. That's why I run them. Yeah. And again, you never know where I'm going to go. Like I'll get something in my head along the way, and I'll go off in a place that I've never been before. So it's, even so, I mean, when you make tracks on the snow this time of the year, you can always follow your tracks back out. So I don't really need a GPS. But, nevertheless, very nice hike. Good workout. Again, this is the S100 I'm taking a video with. My hands are getting a bit cold now, taking all these pictures and videos, so this is about as far as I'm going to go. I'll be heading back from here. Beautiful spot, beautiful day. A little bit on the chilly side, but it's winter. What are you going to do? Yeah. Very nice. Okay, let's get going. Okay. Again, this is the Canon Rebel T3i taking some video. I don't know if that last video turned out because I wasn't looking at the screen. I just turned the video on to get my hands warm there, and I was just letting the camera hang on my chest without looking at it. Anyways, up in the high spot today, in the high country, looking down on the wintry scene. Very quiet spot here. Much colder now than it was just a couple of days ago. We got rain a couple of days ago. Even yesterday we got a little bit of freezing rain and wet snow. Buggered up one of the windshield wipers on my truck, so the passenger side wiper is not working correctly now. But I don't use my wipers all that much. The driver's side wiper is still working properly. I took those wipers apart one time to fix them, and I'll have to look at it again one time. It's a bit of a big job for the winter, so I'll wait until warmer weather returns a long time from now. Anyways, that's like I said, a frozen part of Quirk Lake right there. Just going to continue along this ridge for a while. I'm a little bit higher up here now. You can see right there my tracks where I was standing before. I'm a little bit higher now, probably where the old concrete water tower used to stand. And out there, that's what I call the Rooster's Hen. It's right across the lake from Rooster Rock. I don't think there's a name for it. I just call it the Rooster's Hen. Yeah, very nice. Let's zoom in on the Rooster's Hen. Zoom into the top there. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Again, this is the S100 I'm taking some video with. Nice high spot here, looking down on part of Quirk Lake. The high country over there. I'm in the high country now, actually. Take a look around here. Yeah. It's a rugged place here. Very rugged. Nice blue sky, isn't that nice? Oh yeah, can't beat it. The quiet, can't beat that either. I just won't go farther that way because the sun is low in the sky that way. Otherwise I'd give a 360. Well, I mean, I can take shots into the sun with this. It will show, but there's the sun there, see how low it is? We're now at the shortest day of the year, so it's about as low as it's ever going to get. Now it's going to start coming back from today, which is good news. The dark tunnel is once again gone. Well, it's going. Not gone yet. Look at that rugged land over there. Yeah. Very rugged. Oh, the battery indicator's flashing on this S100 now, but oh.